In this video, I will show you how to install Wabbit on the desktop. Go to this start bar, type software. Then you could see Software Center app. Click Open. In this search bar, type Wabbit. You could see this Wabbit EMU shown up here. Double click. Click Install. Then on the desktop, you could see Wabbit EMU. Double click. You will see this dialog. Click on Browse. Then find this PC. Click. Find this Windows C. Double click. Click on Program Files 86. Then find Wabbit EMU. ROMs. The second last one is the one we want to install on the desktop. Then click Finish. In this way, we successfully installed Wabbit on the desktop.